receive the package, there is a machine, a screen, a LipaSonic handle, a HiFu handle, including standard cartridges, HiFu cartridge 1.5, 3, 4.5, LipaSonic cartridge 8 and 13, a foot pedal, a power cord, acrylic boards, and films. Optional cartridges: HiFu cartridge 18, 16, 13, 10, 8, 6, LipaSonic cartridge 18, 16, 10, 6. Step 1. Install the screen firstly. There is a card slot behind the screen. There is also a card slot on the machine, and we need to match the card slot of the machine and screen. The corners must be aligned. Then put it down to the button and snap it tight. Make sure the slots of the screen and the machine are on the same level. Step 2. Install the HiFu handle. First, you need to take a 4.5 cartridge and align it. Push the button up to lock it. When removing the cartridge, push this button down and then pull it out. When installing the handle on the machine, you need to align it with the same label and the same color of the cord and machine slot. The handle has corresponding slots aligned with the machine. Be sure to align and pull it in tightly. When pulling it out, just pull it out. Be sure to install it in place. Then we put the handle like this. Install the LipaSonic handle. When taking out the corresponding cartridge, you need to align the rod with this hole first, and then insert the corresponding hole tightly. When removing the cartridge, press here and pull it out. The same steps as HiFu handles, you need to align it with the same label and the same color of the cord and machine slot. Firstly, put the handle on the handpiece holder and push the corresponding slot firmly. When pulling it out, we pull it out directly. Next, install the pedal. Open the pedal packaging. Take out it. Connect it corresponding to the label of the machine. There is a concave point on the slot. Align it with the concave point and push it in. Then tighten the screw. The last step is to take out the power cord. Connect the machine. Power on and turn it on. First of all, this is the operation interface of HiFu. This is the operation interface of LipaSonic. Let's introduce the operation interface of HiFu first. Pick up the handle of HiFu. It will automatically enter the operation interface. This is the display of remain shots in the current cartridge. Here is the display of the number of used shots in the current cartridge. This is the shorting point mode, and this is the MP mode. Generally, the interface will automatically default to point mode after entering. Click here to MP mode. Click here to switch to the point mode. This is the current cartridge model displaying 4.5. This is the current cartridge frequency displaying 4 MHz. This is the energy adjustment button. This is the current number of shot setting. The total number of the shots displayed is 300. You can add or subtract the number of shots through this button. The default setting is 300. This position is for adjusting the current number of lines. It can be adjusted from 2 to 13 lines. The default setting is 13 lines. This position is for adjusting the working treatment length. It can be adjusted from 5 to 25 mm. The defaulting setting is 25 mm. This position is for adjusting the spacing between points. It can be adjusted from 1 to 5 mm. The default setting is 1.5 mm. This position is Start button. Click Ready and the handle start working. Press the button on the handle to start output. If you need to pause, you can press the button to pause the output. Press the button again to continue working. The current working number of shots is 13. After the operation, click Ready to return the interface, and then put the handle back. Next, we operate the Liposonics handle. At first, we pick up the handle. This position is for displaying the number of remaining shots in the current cartridge. This position is for displaying the number of used shots in the current cartridge. This is point mode, MP mode, energy adjustment button, current cartridge model, current cartridge frequency, RF energy adjustment, maximum 2 joule, minimum 0.1 joule. First, we press the standby button to switch ready of the machine, and then start the handle to shoot output. We can also use the foot pedal to control the handle shooting. If we want a spiral mode, press Ready to return the main interface. Click Standby, then it will shoot like spiral after pressing the button of handle. After we finish the operation, put the handle on the handlepiece holder.